Apple. A round fruit that can be red, green or yellow. I love to eat a juicy apple for a healthy snack after school. Ant. A tiny insect that lives in anthill and can carry things much heavier than itself. Look, there is an ant crawling on the ground. Arrow. A pointed stick shot from a bow. The arrow hit the target. Airplane. A flying vehicle that carries people or things. We are going on vacation in an airplane. Apron. A protective garment worn over clothes while cooking or doing messy activities. I wear an apron when baking cookies. Alligator. A large reptile with a long body and sharp teeth that lives in water. The alligator swam quietly in the pond. Alphabet. A set of letters that we use to write or read words. Let's learn the alphabet together. Alpaca. A fluffy animal whose long hair makes good quality wool. Alpacas have soft fur that's used for making clothes. Author. A person who writes books or stories. The author of this book is really good at telling stories. Astronomy. The study of stars, planets, and the universe. Astronomy helps us understand the night sky. Artist. Someone who creates beautiful paintings, drawings, or sculptures. Shivanya is an artist who paints colorful pictures. Acorn. A small nut that comes from oak trees. The squirrel collected acorns for the winter. Apple. A round fruit that can be red, green or yellow. I love to eat a juicy apple for a healthy snack after school. Angel. A spirit who is believed to live in heaven with God. In pictures, angels are usually dressed in white and have wings. Some people believe that angels watch over us. Alley. A narrow pathway between buildings or walls. Cats often hide and play in the alley. Appetite. The feeling of being hungry and wanting to eat. After playing outside, I had a big appetite. Athlete. A person who plays sports and is physically fit. The athlete ran quickly in the race. Accordion. A musical instrument with keys that you press while expanding and compressing it. I am learning to play the accordion. Autumn. The season between summer and winter when leaves change color and fall. I love playing in the leaves during autumn. Arid. Very dry and lacking water. The desert is known for its arid climate. Automobile. A vehicle with wheels that runs on an engine. Our family has an automobile for driving around. Aroma. A pleasant smell or fragrance. The aroma of fresh baked cookies filled the kitchen. Aerial. Related to the air or flying. Birds have an amazing aerial view from the sky. Ample. Enough or more than enough. There is an ample amount of food for everyone. Anchor. A heavy object dropped from a boat to stop it from moving. The ship dropped the anchor to stay in one place. Apricot. A small fruit that is orange or yellow and has a sweet taste. I enjoy eating juicy apricots in the summer. Award. A prize or certificate for doing something well. Shivanya received an award for her excellent artwork. Artichoke. A vegetable with spiky leaves that are eaten after cooking. I like dipping artichoke leaves in sauce. Airport. A place where airplanes take off and land. We are going to the airport to catch our flight. Alarm. A device that makes a loud noise to warn about danger or wake you up. The alarm clock woke me up in the morning. Aquarium. A tank where you can keep fish and other water animals. We visited the aquarium to see colorful fish. Adventurer. Someone who goes on exciting journeys and explore new places. The brave adventurer climbed tall mountains. Amphibian. An animal that can live both in water and on land, like frogs and salamanders. Frogs are amphibians that starts as tadpole in water. Ankle. The joint between the foot and the leg. I twisted my ankle while playing soccer ball. Axe. A tool with a sharp blade used for chopping woods. The lumberjack used an axe to cut down the trees. Astronaut. A person who travels and works in space. I want to be an astronaut and explore the stars. Ambulance. A vehicle that takes a sick or injured people to the hospital. The ambulance rushed to help someone in need. Avocado. A fruit with a green skin and a large pit inside. I like to eat avocado in my sandwiches. Admire. To look at something with respect and wonder. I admire the beautiful sunrise. Apologize. To say you are sorry for something you did. I apologize for spilling the teacup.